My name is Vijay Krishnan Ganesan. So I'm a dentist by background. I have a life science background, and I'm into this healthcare industry for about 14 years now. Along with this, my dentistry background, I've also been involved in some of the analytics functions in my current company, and that's the reason I have chosen this Blackbelt program. Best part what I saw in Analytics Vidhya is that we have this discussion part where the previous students or the kind of the student forum, the similar questions had been already posted. So some of the questions what I had in my mind, and especially once I done with the theoretical part when I was doing the practical part, actually whatever questions was in my mind, I could go to the discussions forum, and I think 50% of the questions were already there actually, and I could get the solutions from there. This is one thing. I would say when I took the NLP course, actually the NLP module of this AML program, so when I started reading the NLP thing, that is the moment when I realized we are in a very important phase of both as a personal as a professional life actually. So we cannot ignore AA anymore. That was one moment, especially when I was doing this NLP course, I realized AA cannot be shrugged off anymore. So it is already part of our life, and we need to embrace it. Absolutely. There is no doubt actually. I would recommend to anyone and everyone, including I was even suggesting this course to some of my family and some of my cousins who have finished their college and they started working. The main reason I would say is that actually we always look for kind of a university accreditation or something. Actually, we do this, but the reason I would recommend Analytics Vidhya is that it is an open source learning. I would say even you're not registered with Analytics Vidhya, I could see still a lot of articles written in Analytics Vidhya available to many of us. So that is the kind of open opportunity that is available for every one of us. But when I registered with Analytics Vidhya, there are a lot of additional articles or references, the perspectives I would say, which is very uniquely available to people who have registered to Analytics Vidhya. And with this Master Black Belt program, I could get a lot of learning, but irrespective of proceeding, even if you want to upskill yourself, if you're from the technical domain, I think Analytics Vidhya is one right platform that you can definitely go ahead.